welcome to this video. Today we are going to rate all these slimes. So we're going to start off with this one. This one is named Frosty's Winter Wonderland. There's like this cool sticker. So as you guys see, this is in a see-through slime. It's pretty satisfying to push, but now let's test other things. It's a good push, but it's not a crunchy. And let's try to stretch it. No, it's not a stretch. Like if you even try to stretch, you have to be very careful if you want to touch, because if you're not, this is going to happen. It's going to break. So I'm gonna give this slime a 5 out of 10. It does look very cool and fun, but that was important. If you're making a slime, then it's gotta be stretchy. Next we have Christmas Candy Shop. So let's see. Meanwhile, is my sister also playing with slime. So we are going to be playing with, oh my gosh, what's this? I just found a piece of my sister's ice cream car in this slime. That's very weird, but yeah. So
that's not for me.
Yeah, that's yours.
No,
so,
it isn't. I haven't.
So, I'm gonna try this slime. Does it stretch good? It does stretch better than this one, but yeah, it isn't a good crunchy and doesn't really stick well. So, this is not a good slime. I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 10. It isn't really that good. I hope there's gonna come some better slimes, because else this was a big waste of purchase. Next we have crushed candy cane. This one looks pretty cool. So let's first check. It isn't a fun push, so that isn't good. Maybe the rest is fun. We have this fun cloud and this fun bell here. If you want to try to stretch, it doesn't really stretch well, but it does make some pretty good sounds. But it is pretty similar to this one. So I'm gonna give this also a 4 out of 10. Next up, we have peppermint hot chocolate. So this slime looks very cool. So it already has 4 points for the cool looking. The pushes aren't that satisfying. So, but the pushes are better than that one, so I'm gonna give it extra 2 points. It's now standing at 6. Now we are going to pull it out and see how good it stretches. It is very hard, but it doesn't really break. Oh, I just said it doesn't really break, and it breaks. It does let off a lot of color, like you guys see this. My hand is normally not that red, so that's a minus point. So this was normally a 7, but now it's just a 6. Just get everything in here. This line was a waste of time. So, 6. Slimes aren't really that good. Christmas present green crunchy snowflakes. Long name. It looks pretty similar to the crushed candy cane, but it might be better. Oh yeah, this is a crunchy. This slime is a crunchy. That's already gonna give it 3 extra points. The slimes are not, but like very bad, so that's 0 points for me. The stretch is also not that good, and all the little these things fall out of it. So I'm gonna give the slime, if I like it or not, a 3. Like the little things that you put in, they just keep falling out. It's gonna have a 3. But it does have a fun squishy. So that's an extra point. And let's go with 4. Next up we got peppermint yogurt. This slime looks like very fun snow. This slime looks like very fun snow, but we can't wait it yet. For the looks, it doesn't have a good look. And by the way, I'm gonna wash my hands before I turn this slime red. Just wash my hands. Now we can really rate this one. So for the looks, it's pretty pale. And these are the extras. So I'm gonna give it 3 points for the looks. It looks like snow, but it's pretty boring. So the squishing is actually pretty fun. So I'm gonna give it like 4 points for the squishing. Actually very fun. Now we're gonna try the stretching. This is the first slime that's actually pretty good at stretching. So for the stretching, and I'm gonna give it a 5. It comes with this little polar bear. So who does it like that? The pokes, let's try the pokes. Also are very fun. And all the rest is actually pretty fun. So overall, I'm gonna give this slime a 9 out of 10. Very fun and good. This is the best slime so far. Next up, we got Santa's Workshop. Oh, this one sounds very nice. And it isn't really fatty. So I'm already gonna give it a 4 for those two. It comes with this fun addict and a lollipop. Lollipop, lollipop, la 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 bop. Let's test the stretching. It's really hard. Oh! So the stretching is just bad. But for the rest, the poking is also bad. But this is actually not fat, and that makes me very happy. Because the rest is so fat, like You might think what you mean with fat, it's like oily. Yeah, oily. And look and listen to these sounds. These sounds are so good. Like, damn. So I'm gonna give this one a 7. Like, it's not good slime, but it's not oily. That makes me very happy. Next up we got Christmas hot chocolate snowman. This one also looks very good, so 4 points for the looks. Has some good pokes. So for that, I am also going to give it I guess 3. Let's see this. It's very oily, but that's almost with all of them. But no points for less oily. We got this cool party sign. And we got a snowflake. Stretches are very good. For that, it's another 3 points. We're already at 7. It sticks together pretty well, so an extra point. But it is oily. So it is so oily, so -1. I think I'm gonna give this one a 7 out of 10. Not bad. Next up, we got gingerbread. This is the shortest name of them all, so maybe it's the best. We won't know. For the looks, this looks so hard like gingerbread, so I'm gonna give it like a 5. Ground crunch, nothing. So this is the crunch. It doesn't really have a crunch. We do get this fun gingerbread in here. That's fun. And we get a fun Christmas. How do you name this actually? I don't know. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells. So, it's pretty. The stretch is definitely some points for it, like 3. So I'm gonna give this already a 5 out of 10. So I have to test some things. The stick together. The best way you can test the stick together is this, and then try to get out. It sticks together pretty well. So you guys see that this is fun. I like this one. It's not oily at all. Maybe a little bit, but it's very good. So that's 2 points extra. Ready at 7. The pokes, perfect. I'm gonna give this one also a 9 out of 10. But with the fun charms, I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10. This is the first 10 out of 10. Next up, we have Candy Crunch. So, this one just comes with this fun candy cane. Let's see if we can make this candy cane be a slime cane. Dip it in the slime and it doesn't observe the slime at all, so that's good. It comes with this fun charm, a cat in a cup, and with the Jingle Bell. The charms aren't that fun, so no extra points for them, except for this one. Well, 2 extra points of that. The looks aren't really that great. You don't see the charms, so that's just 1 point. So we're already at 3 points. It's a stretch of 1 point. The pokes are pretty good, so I'm gonna give 2 points for that. 5 points, and let's try this. The squish is also pretty good, so 2 points for that. 7 out of 10. Okay, points. Give it up for Candy Crunch, guys. So it's pretty fun, but there's still 1 slime to go, and he might have a chance to beat Gingerbread. Let's see. And we will do a secret one to see if that one's bad. So now this one is named Gingerbread Bacon Snowfish. Squish, grab, and holy crap, what's this? This is the worst slime I've seen in my life. But oh yes, it's a squishy. We got a squishy, boys. This is fun squishy, so 2 points for that. The charms are another gingerbread. Already had one, and another star. So the charms are just 1 point. It's very oily. It stings. This one I'm gonna give a 2 out of 10. Not that good. And now it's time for mystery slime. Are you guys ready? Let's go get it. To place because we got the slime body part. This is a pretty good slime. So let's check it out. The pokes aren't that good. Maybe we'll try to poke with. No, it's not. It doesn't have pretty good pokes, but there can still be some other fun in this. Let's try to stretch. Oh, this is just glide on my hand. I thought this one might have a chance, but now I'm seeing what it's doing. I'm not so sure about that. We are going to try to blow. So we are going to try to blow a bubble. Pop it in. It doesn't even have bubble making. The only thing this slime has is glitter. But for the looks, 5 points. So the last slime, we're going to give 5 out of 10. Watching. The winner of the slime contest was Gingerbread. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and bye.